This is a fake. This is a fake one. This is a fake one. Hi, I'm Adriana from Toy Room Adventures, and if you can't tell by my voice, I am sick today, and I'm here with Mr. Mittens, but he's just a cat. I'll put him, here, I guess. Okay. So, today I am doing a review on a fidget cube, and I've wanted these for a while now, and I finally got my hands on one. And I'm super happy, and yeah. And this was $15.99, and the regular price was $30, which is pretty expensive for it's only like that big. I'm just happy that I got it on sale. I got to save some money. Yay! So I got this from Showcase, which is a store. And now we're just going to open it up. So let's open it up, and I will do close-up shots. Okay. And it says Jitter box on it. Sorry, it's hard to read the font. Why do I find this so interesting? It's just like plastic. Anyways, so this is a fake. This is a fake one. This is a fake one. I'm disappointed now. Look, the ball doesn't click. It's not smooth. The joystick isn't smooth. This is a ripoff. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, so there's a light switch. So we got this, which is like a light switch. There's I don't know what you call this, but you put like your finger on it and it goes in like circles, and it's not very smooth. I'll use this thing that like goes in circles either. But then the joystick. So here's the joystick. It doesn't move like that much, but yeah. Then we have this, where you put your fingers or thumb or whatever, and it's for like anxiety and stuff. Then I have the buttons, and none of them are silent. The buttons, they all make noise. This one's the quietest, but you can still hear it. So, and yeah. Then over here, we have this ball. Then we got the rolly ball, doesn't click, and these things, whatever they're called. And it doesn't click. I'm pretty sure it's a sign that like a fake one. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah. I wish they made them cheaper though, like, yeah. My favorite side is definitely the button side, like a pen. But yeah. Personally, I wish it was like the real version, because I can tell it's probably not like the real one and it's like a rip-off one. I wish it was like $10 or like $5 too, because like, isn't it like, I'm pretty sure that the real one, everything's like really smooth. The marble ball thing is supposed to click, and 2 of the buttons are supposed to be silent, and then the other ones are like make clicking noises, and I just expected more. And if you're wondering why Mr. Mittens, it looks like he has no eyes, they're shut. If you like move his fur, you can tell that they're like right there. But that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!